Indonesian oil refinery ignites into towering inferno. There was a big fire in one of the Indonesian oil refineries, creating like hundreds of people to have to evacuate from where they live. A lot of people were injured. No deaths tied immediately to this. They say at least 20 people have been injured, 5 of whom are in intensive care with severe burns, and 950 local residents have been evacuated from their homes. But they said that no one has died specifically related to this. There's been someone who's had a heart attack in the area. But essentially what happened is the fire began in the middle of the night, and it was raining. And what they believe happened was this oil refinery, there's 72 gasoline storage units. 4 of them caught on fire. They believe that there was a leak in one that they were repairing. And while they were repairing the leak, it was raining and there was lightning. They believe that lightning struck it struck the facility, the refinery, and it caught on fire. So they think that is how the fire started, was because of lightning igniting, the oil. It struck either one of the units or struck where they were working on it, fixing the leak. And that is how it started. According to reports, they said there was a lot of people in this local areas. They said that they could smell the leak, and they believed that's how it happened, because they said it was raining and there was lightning while it happened. So hopefully everyone is okay. This doesn't look good at all. They said the fires have been going on for days now. A lot of black smoke, oil refinery, so it makes sense. Luckily, it wasn't the whole entire facility. It was only 4 out of the 72 units. But we'll have to wait and see what happens here. Hopefully everyone ends up being okay. The oil refinery can get back up and running and everything is good.